first.
Probably get my call from my mother in like 40 minutes.
Where are y'all at?
Okay, no. You're good to go. Alright. First pack. I gave Dad 6 of these. These 2 fools over here opened 1. Some people just do that.
They're gonna bend.
Oh, is that up here? Put the trash can. Shit. Might need to get a new sack. Get your front. Alright. Vista. Trainer. Trophies. Tucano. Marino. Oh, that's the last one. Buns. Is you already doing your interview?
So
You're fired.
nah. So they use a third-party hiring company, which is pretty stupid.
What the heck?
Yeah. So I never got a call, so I called the clinic, and the lady told the manager, and the manager said she would get in touch with the hiring lady, and I left them my name and number. And if I don't hear anything back from them by tomorrow, then I'm applying at the heart hospital.
D9.
Which means I'll have to make a drive. Oh well.
I will work again on Monday.
Oh, glare.
Yeah, I really need money. So I have a concert September 1st and Labor Day weekend. So I have to have gas for the concert money, merch, and Airbnb.
It sounds like problems you caused yourself. In my opinion. Ooh. Gold star. Which is just an illustration art, but it still look cool. First hit. Just a man trick. Not crazy, but. Huh?
All of them are kind of bent.
I still can't believe that I got a illustration rare. Then I'll be happy too, but
A bunch of packs to open still.
I don't know.
It's always possible.
I'm not saying that. I was just happy for him. It's like 2 gold stars. Like, really?
I don't think he really understood that it was.
If you get 2 more, they pay for themselves.
Yeah. No, 1 more would have paid for him. That one was 100 something.
Okay.
Oh.
That's why he's gonna get it.
One of those packs is calling my name.
That's not.
Yeah, this one. Very expensive card.
Oh,
Can open them digitally and actually get good hits consistently.
Careful that.
Don't gain anything good.
Bam! Normal energy, not good sign. Oh, Marky Moo. Sorry, I had the actual Twitch minimized. I see your message now, Mark. I'm sorry. I missed it. Kind of. What up, Mark? What are you doing? You can see what I'm doing. No, another one. Ooh, EX. The glare is not bad.
I didn't touch it.
You did. I watched it. Oh, shit. Are you still here, Mark? Couldn't have been that long ago. You can be all my problems go away. Yeah, over here. Wait, full size that. Okay.
So confused. How was this closed?
Tonyo, quit ruining my box, bro. I'm definitely 100% gonna keep it.
Yeah, sure.
You don't have your phone in here, really?
Somehow if I get that up.
This one specifically is calling my name.
Just open it in like the corner of the screen.
So this one's calling my name.
You're gonna get absolutely nothing.
Probably.
Oh, I was looking in the notes about that. Damn cool. Oh, wait. Wait. Stop.
Anyway,
Let's go at the same time, right?
not jack crap.
Oh, man, this is overstimulating, isn't it, Mark? If you're even here still. Well.
I was really calling your name, huh, kid?
You better organize those.
Bro, I don't know how to freaking organize them.
You put trainers and items right here. And all the normal Pokemon go in that Pokemon file.
Need a big one.
Is there a pack calling your name?
Wait, what? Yeah, well,
Use your Spidey
I'm gonna get
senses.
3 gold stars.
Yeah. Grab the one that's a God Peppers. Actually change it
right here.
Just do what Caden did. Just open it in the corner.
I'm gonna get at least 2 gold stars.
Dude, I still have so many. I'm not complaining, but
That's why we're doing this.
oh yeah, someone to beat.
No. I'm actually really tired.
Right.
I was about to fall asleep. I had to
Energy
force
and
myself to get up and come up here.
You ready?
Yeah.
Wait. These are normal.
Okay, this way.
I need the one that has that's just a little tripod right here that I can just do it straight down. But dang, man, we're not getting nothing.
1 gold star.
Really? Ooh.
I told you. Did better than Caden's, all that matters.
Pack for pack.
Oh, me and Katie going back to back.
It's like the whole point of this because there's a lot of them.
Katie's just mad I'm better.
That's pretty good.
How'd you know? Thought I hit it pretty well.
Yeah, especially with Addison, huh?
Katie sucks. He ain't gonna get nothing.
Kane don't got a pull. He's out, bro. Because Antonio's already in the lead. I mean, Antonio are tired right now.
Yeah. That's cool.
Dad's still beating both of us, though.
Oh yeah, he's. He probably got the one good pick at all times.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of funny.
He just has a good guess for what's
Ooh, an EX.
50 cents.
Alright, Kane's definitely out.
Yeah, you suck.
Sure.
I'm gonna get another one. 2 gold stars.
Come on, check these and make sure they're on.
I'm gonna get the same card that.
That'd be cool.
Gotta organize cadence stuff.
No, I don't know if I'm just go through this later because I'm last pack. I don't think I got it. I know it's kind of weird, but
Caden's scared to go back to back with me. He did not. Please don't.
Hollow energy.
Wait, I have to hold it this way, don't I?
Alright.
Oh, sorry.
No. What's up? Double check.
Got 2 reverse. Reverse version. Not even a star, but. Why do you put trainers in?
I didn't. Did I?
Yes.
Oops. Look, see that? See that? How this pack is bent a little bit on top for the paper. It's gonna make our pack. That's what that means. The power within this is so good; it's bending the seal.
What?
Ugh. Two more. Ugh. It's painful.
This baby. There's no way your dad just cooked everyone.
We'll have 2 gold stars.
He got the one where.
Yeah. Well, those gold stars are
$120.
a little bit something.
Probably like 15 a piece, maybe.
Depends. Whoever gets the first hit.
Whoever gets 2 gold stars first. At least 2. 3 would be very nice.
That'd be great. Get like the
That's
all
like the
gold
best
or all
gold.
black.
It's like
The hyper rare. I think is what it's called.
That's normal energy, bro.
What?
That's normal energy.
Ugh. Each time it's not hollow energy, I feel stab in my heart.
Okay, you ready? Oh,
I'm seeking.
ready, Blake?
Oh yeah, I have one more.
Oh, it's not good.
NEX!
I got a trainer.
2 silver. That's not bad.
It's probably worth about 75 cents.
Nah, maybe. Yeah.
67 cents.
I'll sleeve it just because.
My
Nah, I won't even sleeve it. I'll just put it in. Actually, yeah. 2 silvers aren't very good, but it's okay.
I'll get this one.
Tonyo,
Huh.
what the heck? Why'd you leave all your cards up?
I'm on it. Caden sucks. True. Hasn't gotten anything.
Oh, dude, that's cool.
What?
Look, this has like yarn.
Huh.
I didn't even see that. Dude, look at this stack of Pokemon cards.
I already know mine sucks.
And if you don't get a hit, you're back now.
See, let's see who gets a better hit between mine and Caden. Back. I'm not gonna go through mine yet, but.
Oh, you have one too?
Yeah.
Get in here.
Bro, all three of
How
us
am I-
are not fitting.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, see?
Bruh.
Reach on your reach.
Oh my goodness. I'm leaning.
Here, I'll turn the chair. Go slow so they can see everything. Like when you set one down, just wait a few seconds. The item set out, we'll just organize it after.
Oh, Caden sucks. He got nothing.
Okay, and chill with my monitor.
Oh! A full art. Or a gold star.
Dang, Tanya just cooked us. Again.
Bro,
Get out of here, you suck.
me?
Yeah, you're not getting nothing. You're not even getting an EX.
It's not even my, thing.
Yeah, it is. It's your pack you pick up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm good.
I like this.
Wait, King, we gotta clean up the mess. Clean up the area.
No, we can do that afterwards.
No,
No.
then it'll take even longer.
No.
Who's putting it? I might have put energies there again. I'm not gonna lie. Just put your energies in the trainer check. Oh no, that's energy check. I'm stupid. All right, we're running low on packs, so we're gonna have to slow down again. We're gonna have to do like one at a time.
Yeah, you got nothing, Caden. You suck. That was real close.
My Tonyo nuts.
Like I'm feeling a hollow energy god attack right now. Trust. It's feeling thick.
Bang!
Bang!
Ugh.
Okay, ready?
Right. Looking, trying to see how long we're gonna go on for. Ooh,
Then hit him. Then hit. Caden, what'd you get?
yeah, that toucan looks like something.
Yeah?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Tonyo, so gay.
What is yours?
It's a gold
Bro,
star.
hey, this guy.
It's a gold star.
You literally got a gold star and you didn't stand up.
Bro, I don't know what they look like.
It's a gold star on the bottom. What more do you
Most
want?
full arts are.
Just leave it. Put it in the pile. At least we're getting a good amount of full arts.
They look cool at least.
They might add up to 100 something.
No, not even close.
They could.
I mean, if we get good ones.
It's like Cliff Fairy was.
Okay, there's how many packs are
I don't know. Let me do the rest of the test. We gotta slow back down.
2, 3, 4, 5.
How long are we on?
Okay, like,
Like 2 minutes.
I'm gonna tell you which one to grab. And it's gonna be the best one.
See if we can do
This one's feeling thick.
that. Here's energy. Okay. Attack me. Okay, that worked for me, but
We're just gonna scan these after.
yeah.
Ooh.
So
So
a
I
little
do.
bit of something.
So I do.
Yeah. Okay, we got Juice. Wham. Manibuzz. Fomantis. Trainer.
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 Oh, that's what we saw. This one. I've gotten 2 bolts or something. Yeah.
It was nice of him to try to give it back, though.
Hmm?
It was nice of him to try to give it back, though.
It was.
Like, no, dude, you're the one that chose it. I gave it to you for a reason. Then how can I take it back when you get a good one? Yeah. We'll do something. We got 3 left.
Let's start it for you.
Three packs left. Voila!
There's no way he got the only big hit.
Yeah. Oh, but that's deadly.
I just went face first.
Ken Young even smells it.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Ooh,
Probably worth
2 silver. Nothing crazy, but
So like, take your poison.
you already put the card energy in front.
No, I have not. I guess get that one.
Put the energy in front.
Okay. Oh. That's all I can do. All I can do, but
Come on. Give me something. Give me something. No. Dang.
holy
Man.
thick stack of Pokemon.
Rip.
Gave your dad the wrong pack, dude.
And he chose the wrong pack. Well, good one, but
Bad for you.
yeah.
Okay, now we gotta scan these posters.
Okay, so hand me all the EXs.
Dude, they look so cool though.
Yeah.
It's so hard not to put them in my hand. The old EXs were worth something.
Alright, so this is our EX stack. We got Mega Zerara. We got Rampardos. We got Mega Chandelier. We got Mega Dolphix. We got a Whaler. We got a Laryntis. And Mega Excadrill.
There was like one big hit, like I thought there might be.
It looks so cool though. EXs, give me the.
Both stars.
Okay. These are the 2 silver. I don't remember the name of it, but got Crushing Hammer and Gladians. And then get my app out. Okay, so
this $50. Are we gonna go scam mine? Yes. Yeah. There's no telling what else. Well, there might be more than just a few.
I don't know how to take. Give me where I take a picture.
I thought that's what you've been doing.
No, but I don't remember how to pull it up. Don't remember how to do it. Because when I first got on it, it was already on it.
I would think just go to your portfolio and then. There's nothing like trade analyzer. Yeah.
That would be here or home. But home is just this crap.
What's trend? What's in trending today?
There we go. Okay. So first up, Tucano. Or Tucane. There we
My guess is 12.
go. $5. Here, let me do this real quick.
Hurts, dude.
Okay, here. Do this, and then add this up as we go.
Is it 5?
Yeah.
It's like 5.
561. Next, we got Amirage. 4. $5.51. Damn, that's painful.
Please don't be a trend.
Slow
You
burn.
almost made back enough to buy one of the ones on sale. Or kind of. Yo, too.
$17.07. There we go.
That's the one that I pulled.
And then, last but not least, main
It
trick.
pulls it up on there for you.
Oh, yeah.
That's fine. Awesome.
And it's probably gonna be like $5 one.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh my gosh.
Definitely go with
There we go.
$5.
$3.37. Painful.
What?
Our total was $31.56.
What about the EXs and the trainers?
Don't worry that much.
Just the full arts are the ones that I wear. Gonna go total up my whole binary. Is there like more than just Pokemon on there?
Yeah.
I don't know, that'd be worth the time going through and could look up what the rarest you how to tell if the is rare. You can just look for this. Yeah, it's kind of sad. What's your portfolio worth? Dude, that's kind of sad. Your dad got the one. The singular one. Okay.
I don't know how to check.
I'll grab it.
Alright, so take out
Take it out.
yeah, because we're gonna sort this. Take out these promos. Put them on the next page. I'll just top load it, so. And then
The trainers. All the gold stars can be on this front page.
yeah.
Or you can like say the cover pages for gold stars.
Yeah, she's not even in the sleeve, so I might do that with the other, honestly.
This one is. So you said Clefairy's worth like 22?
Yeah, she's 22 for the second round.
She's the most expensive one.
Yeah.
There's no telling what kind of condition my cards are in though. And then where's that box? You had
Oh,
for
there,
all the
52.
other Pokemon.
Let's do. For now, let's just do right here. Do my promos.
The binder's nicer than mine, but I have more cards.
Oh yeah, just started.
But also, a lot of them in my binder, I probably just put in there because they look cool.
Yeah.
And a lot of them are probably worth like nothing.
Then the hype word.
Like I have all my trainers and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Just any full art card I think I put in there.
That's what these are, just full arts. And then I think Gold Star is the illustration arts.
Yeah. I have like break cards, those cards are old. But I think they're all promos. They're old promos.
Well, promos are still worth something.
Yeah. We need 30th anniversary for a lot of them.
I know. That's what my next big purchase is gonna be. Alright, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy. My dad got. Honestly, you might go get his just so I can show it. Well, honestly, never mind. It don't matter. Because, I'm gonna see it anyways. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.